In the expansive and often overwhelming landscape of project management tools, Nifty has carved out a niche for itself as an all-in-one platform. It promises to simplify team collaboration, streamline workflows, and centralize everything from roadmaps to tasks, documents, and communication. But for those looking to understand the core of its functionality and how it achieves these promises, a natural question arises. What is Nifty software based on? As a project management expert, I can explain that Nifty, like most modern software as a service, SaaS applications, isn't based on a single simple concept. Instead, it's built upon a combination of established project management methodologies, modern software architecture principles, and a user-centric design philosophy. It's a blend of how projects are managed and how software is built to support that management. Let's break down the foundational elements Nifty is based on. 1. Cloud-based architecture SaaS model. Fundamentally, Nifty is a cloud-based application. This means accessibility. You access Nifty through a web browser or its dedicated desktop and mobile applications, not by installing complex software directly onto your computer server. This makes it accessible from anywhere, on any device with an internet connection. Scalability. The underlying cloud infrastructure allows Nifty to easily scale its resources up or down based on user demand. This means whether you're a small startup with a few users or a large enterprise with hundreds, the system can handle the load efficiently. Maintenance and updates. All maintenance, updates, and security patches are handled by Nifty's development team, reducing the burden on individual users or IT departments. This ensures you always have the latest features and security. Data storage. Your project data, documents, and communications are stored securely on Nifty's cloud servers, with appropriate backups and security measures in place. This cloud-based foundation is standard for modern project management tools, offering flexibility and reducing operational overhead for users. 2. Blended project management methodologies. Nifty isn't strictly based on just one project management methodology, like Agile or Waterfall. Instead, it's designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing teams to implement various approaches or even hybrid models. Its features cater to several core principles found in different methodologies. Agile/Scrum. Nifty strongly supports Agile principles, particularly through its Kanban boards, visualizing tasks in different stages, e.g., to do, in progress, review, done, is a hallmark of Kanban, facilitating flow and identifying bottlenecks. Sprints/milestones. The ability to set milestones and track progress against them aligns with sprint planning and iteration management in Agile frameworks. Automated progress updates linked to task completion are a key benefit here. Team collaboration and communication. Built-in chat, discussions, and direct messaging features support the continuous communication and collaboration central to Agile. Waterfall/traditional. While not its primary focus, Nifty can accommodate traditional project management through Gantt charts, roadmaps. These visual timelines with dependencies are crucial for linear project planning, common in Waterfall. Nifty's roadmaps feature provides this capability. Task dependencies. The ability to link tasks so one cannot start until another is finished is fundamental to critical path management. Project phases/milestones. Defining clear stages and key deliverables fits well with phased project execution. Hybrid approaches. Many teams today use a blend of methodologies. Nifty's versatility allows a team to use a Kanban board for daily task management within a sprint, while a Gantt chart provides a high-level roadmap for stakeholders, embodying a hybrid approach. 3. User-centric design principles. Nifty places a strong emphasis on user experience, UX, and user interface, UI. This means the software is based on principles that prioritize ease of use, intuitiveness, and visual clarity, all in one philosophy. Instead of requiring users to jump between multiple tools, e.g., Slack for chat, Trello for tasks, Google Docs for files, Nifty aims to centralize these functions. This is a core design principle aimed at reducing context switching and improving efficiency. Visual workflows. Features like Kanban boards and Gantt charts are highly visual, making it easy for users to grasp project status and progress at a glance. Customization. The ability to customize workflows, views, and dashboards empowers users to tailor the environment to their specific needs and preferences, enhancing usability. Simplicity and cleanliness. Reviews often highlight Nifty's clean interface, which is a result of design choices aimed at reducing clutter and making navigation straightforward. 4. Integration capabilities and open APIs. Modern software solutions rarely exist in a vacuum. Nifty is based on the principle of interoperability, meaning it's designed to connect with other tools that businesses commonly use. Native integrations. Nifty provides direct integrations with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, GitHub, and others, allowing seamless data flow and functionality. Zapier and webhooks. For broader connectivity, Nifty integrates with Zapier, which in turn connects to thousands of other applications. This flexibility ensures that Nifty can fit into almost any existing tech stack. Open API. For advanced users and developers, Nifty offers an open API. This allows organizations to build custom integrations or automate specific workflows that are unique to their business processes. This principle ensures the platform is extensible and adaptable to highly specific needs. 5. Data security and reliability. Underpinning all of these functional and design aspects are fundamental principles of software engineering and security. Nifty, as a professional SaaS tool, is built with data encryption, protecting user data in transit and at rest, regular audits and updates, ensuring compliance with security standards and patching vulnerabilities promptly, redundancy and backups, safeguarding against data loss and ensuring high availability,